Instagram might disable your account if you violate their guidelines, or if someone hacks into your account, or if someone has your password and they just remove or delete your account for some reason. And then when you want to log into your Instagram account, you're going to see this error, which says your account has been disabled for violating our terms. And if you want to fix that, you need to go over to the website Instagram.com. Here you can also search disabled account on Instagram, doesn't really matter. I have searched it before, Instagram.com, disabled account. So I'm just going to tap on the first website that pops up. And as you can see, this is the Instagram Help Center. You don't need to log in. They don't need your username or password or anything. They are just giving you some general information. And here it's saying some possible reasons why your account might have been disabled. Sometimes it's just a minor login issue. Maybe you could try in a couple of hours, or if you check the website Instagram outage, you're going to see if maybe the servers of Instagram are not working. And the second one says maybe somebody has gained access to your account. And the third one, your account might have been deleted by someone if they have your password. So what we're going to do, we're going to tap on the second one. It says someone may have gained access to your account, learn how to regain access. So we want to recover our account. So it opens my Instagram application and it's asking me for either my username or phone number or email in order to find my account. So I'm just going to type in my username and tap next. And then it says choose a way to recover. I could get an email or a WhatsApp code, or they could just send me a code via my phone. And that way you're going to get a code and you're going to be able to recover your account just like that. And if this doesn't work, you can also do something else. You know, when you scroll down here, it says, was this article helpful? And if I tap no, it says what went wrong, and I'm just going to tap other, select. And here, Instagram wants me to tell them more about the problem I'm facing. And I'm just going to type, my account has been disabled and I cannot log in, or something like that. And then you just wait for Instagram to get back to you. I hope this video helps, and don't forget to subscribe for more.